drink? Yeah.
Oh, very relaxed. We've had some
An hour ago, yeah.
That was brilliant. Yeah, nearly when we forgot the camera.
How much to drink?
Only three.
Just 3 gin and tonics, that's all we're like.
Lie, you're lying.
No?
Whatever you gotta do.
Only three, and then we had some food, some chips, some nachos.
Look at these lovely ladies. The I Love New York umbrellas.
Oh yeah. Hello.
Hi, pretty lady. Oh, thank you.
Oh, look at you, gentlemen.
I'll try. She's so pretty. Mm-hmm. How are you? Congratulations. How exciting.
Very exciting.
And very lucky.
I am very lucky.
In the rain.
I know.
And of course to have your awesome friends with you here to do such a beautiful, beautiful work. Love has gathered us here today. Erica and James have brought us together for an occasion of great joy. Having found each other 7 years ago, they have built a relationship that will serve them well as the foundation for their marriage. Honored witnesses. Erica and James would like to welcome you here and thank you for your friendship and your love. Being able to share their wedding day with you is a treasured blessing. They have chosen each and every one of us to be here to witness their wedding vows as they join together as husband and wife. James and Erica, the possibilities and potential of your married life are great. Through your respect for each other, may you grow and nurture a love that makes both of you better people, a love that continues to surprise the other, and also a passion for living that provides you with energy and patience to face the responsibilities of life. Do you, James Lewis Bolton, promise to love and respect Erica Ann Saunders, to share your life and your dreams, to build with her a home that is a place of love, happiness, commitment, and growth? Do you promise to be a companion to her in all of her successes and failures, her happiness and sadness, to always give to her your unwavering support and devotion?
I do.
And do you, Erica Ann Saunders, promise to love and respect James Lewis Bolton, to share your life and your dreams, to build with him a home that is a place of love, happiness, commitment, and growth? Do you promise to be a companion to him in all of his successes and failures, his happiness and sadness, to always give to him your unwavering support and devotion? I'd like to invite Lizzie to share with us a reading, The Secrets of a Good Marriage, by Ellie Kelch.
Growing up, I've learned about love. I've been surrounded by it every day. I'm so glad that you found it. That's why we're here today. They say there's secrets to a good marriage, but there are rules to obey. But the most important rules of love are what you choose to do every day. It's the heydays in the morning, it's how she makes us tea, it's the way he smiles at her, such a sweet thing to see. It's never been too old to hold hands, or to watch movies on the couch. It's accepting on the floor, even when there was a grouse. Telling him he's not going bald, it's the you look fine in those jeans. It's ignoring him with life crisis and all her little things. It's facing the world as one, and it's more than love at first sight. It's together being a family, each and every day and night. It's the way he looks into her eyes, it's the way that she looks through, it's the way he's done for us, it's the way I say I do. And I stand here today, in this very important moment in life, with two people very in love, and our husband and wife.
James, please take Erica's hand as you say your vows and repeat after me. Hold. Yes. There we go. Now you'll warm them up. Erica Ann Saunders.
Erica Ann Saunders.
I take you to my life.
I take you through my life.
To love you with all my heart.
To love you with all my heart.
To share with you all my soul.
To share with you all my soul.
To grow with you.
To to go with you
through all my days,
through all my days,
as long as we both travel.
as long as we both travel.
James and his brother, take you through my husband. Share with you all my soul. To grow with you. Through all my days. Through all my days. As long as we both share. Glenn, may I have the rings? I was like, you can stop laughing anytime now. You're on.
Oh, really?
You're on, dude.
My moment.
It is your moment. Perfect. Fantastic. James, please place the ring on Erica's finger and repeat after me. Erica, this ring is a symbol
Erica, this ring is a symbol
of the strength and beauty of our love.
of the strength and beauty of our love.
May it belong to your hand
May it belong to your hand
as my heart belongs to you.
as my heart belongs to you.
Separate but close,
Separate but close,
simple yet beautiful.
simple yet beautiful.
Erica, please place the ring on James's hand and repeat after me. James, this ring is a symbol. James, this ring is a symbol of the strength and beauty of our love. The strength and beauty of our love. May it belong to your hand. May it belong to your hand. As my heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Separate but close. Separate but close. Simple yet beautiful. Simple yet beautiful. How's it feel? Yeah, it's beautiful. Great. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yes. Erica and James, our best wishes go forward from this day with you. We wish for you a fulfilling life, rich in success and in happiness. We wish for you a gentle and peaceful life that nurtures and comforts you. We wish for you an adventurous life, exploring the fullness of your own and each other's true selves. Erica and James, there is the possibility of a wonderful life ahead of you. Live it fully, love its changes and its choices. Let life amaze you and bring you great joy. And now, by the power vested in me by the state of New York, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Thank
Mrs. Bolts.
You're real life married people.
You are real life married people.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's the kiss involved? Come on, Mrs. Bolts. Mwah.
You guys are daft.
We'll try our best, won't we? Don't tell everyone at home. Yeah, we'll
You
go.
ready to make it legal?
Yes.
Fantastic. Great, so I already signed my part because I know that you need to take it. So
Okay.
who did you want to sign as witnesses?
So I want well and you want
And me.
It's written in a U.S. format, so just know that you have to print your name and your business on this line. You don't necessarily have to follow the location.
Yeah, that's really good.
You can sit down.
my God, it fell down.
I did it. Shrinking on the screen.
They all put it right, so it's right there now.
Still red.
Yeah, but that's why I licked it, didn't it?
Ah.
But it's still there.
Okay.
Did you really like it?
Well, I licked my finger then.
Okay. I was like, I didn't see that. That lick of the head. Yeah, I
No,
know.
because I
I
let before we
know.
left that.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
So how did you get your head?
I was just down there.
In the bushes?
Oh, no. I was reading. I was
Trying to get
I
the
was
camera
putting
up.
Yeah.
They, yeah, these,
What's your life?
I remember.
I was wondering that, actually. I'll take it later.
What's her history? Oh my God.
Calvin? They heard that as well.
You can hear it.
That's what I licked it.
And I was on there. Just engaging.
You're going to be signing underneath Joelle. You can sit down if you'd like.
Oh, that's it.
Yes.
Just know that you have this much space to print your name in your folder.
Where am I lying? Here, yeah.
Correct. Printed here. Print above. Yeah.
That one there, yeah.
Yes.
In capitals or?
Doesn't matter, however you would normally do it, but it is a legal document to show that you actually did witness something.
God, I ain't got a lot of room.
Yes, there's not a lot of space. Yeah, right small.
Still got the white one in it.
You do have to sign it.
And I sign it in my name currently then.
Well, you're technically married, so you can sign it in your new name. You know what? It's so rare. It's, I hear that more than anything else. Nobody's practiced.
I know.
The new signature.
Does it matter though if I sign it my own?
No, it
Okay,
does
perfect.
really.
Hope said she can post it for us, but you still want to go in and get a certificate this week.
What's up to you?
Yeah, still good.
Yeah.
Is that?
Perfect.
Is that correct?
And then you'll sign here.
Make sure that.
That one there.
Yes, signature written enough.
Okay.
You're here. Signature of groom.
Print
No, just no printing needed. You just.
Oh, it's a done.
It's good.
Oh, you've only got to sign it.
You just sign.
Or is it?
Your address is already here. Do that. Right underneath your husband, please.
I will. I know, it's crazy.
That's it, we're all done then.
Awesome. Great. So you guys are all set here. I've already signed everything that I'm
Just have to
supposed to
renew
sign.
them, or what?
And I'll put it right back in the
Do
envelope.
Perfect, thank
up at the
you.
top. 1, 2, 3, team on.
You what?
Oh yeah.
Have a little group hug. Have a group hug to Bill.
Yeah.
Little groupie?
What?
Little group hug?
Yeah.
Guys, we're group hug?
Hey.
We're ready for another group. Team bolts.
See? Well,
James, do you want to put it back in your pocket or what's best for you?
That's it. Shall we just take this in?
That's it?
perfect.
Yeah, indeed.
She's nagging you already.
And then this is the picture I took of the three of you guys
Oh, that's fantastic.
waiting in the rain, and I put it on Facebook.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, of course. Yeah, already people are liking it. Oh, a friend that got proposed here
Oh.
just liked it.
Oh, Mrs. Tracy.
Yeah, she didn't. Yeah, I hadn't met her yet. It was my friend
I love it. Have you
that
looked at
proposed to
it?
her. Would love a picture with you if I can.
Yeah.
In the rain.
Got one in the scrapbook. Oh, of course.
So either, I guess either way. Oh, of course. I know, and I'm so short. I'm gonna stand you on my toes.
Good dog.
Yeah.
So do you want us to go to that corner? Because
Yeah.
it'll be lighter.
We go there.
Nice one. Nice one. Beautiful.
Awesome, thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. Awesome, great. Congratulations, Mrs. Absolutely. Congratulations. My absolute pleasure. Have a blast while you're in town, guys.
Thank you.
And best of everything to both of
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you ever
Of
so
course,
much.
my
It was a
pleasure.
beautiful ceremony.